flying an Elinoover Quadcoptor. And it's a fairly windy day. They come in gusts. So let's see how she does. Fairly windy day. Not too bad on the wind. This is speed 2. There's a gust. It pushes it back. The gust, see how it pushes it back. The wind's blowing towards me, or towards the nose of the drone, or the quad. I'm pushing it forward. But I can fight it, which is cool. It means I can drive it forward and turn it around. She's a little quick coming back because the wind's pushing her. I haven't trimmed her, so she's drifting. I think that's the wind that's pushing her. I don't think I'm going to be able to trim that. Oh, not too bad. Wind's still going to push it even though you trim them. The whole thing's flying these things in the wind. You know, you can trim them all you want. You can see the wind has pushed that away. This is speed 2. This is speed 3. Now, it seems to hold a lot better in speed 3, of course. And this is the Elinoover. I am so impressed with this. Less than 30 bucks. And it's not a foldable. As you can see, she flies real well. See when she goes with the wind, how nice she is? When she has to fight it. But yeah, these are the kind of things I like to fly. Oh, I'll bet you she goes out of sight. I'm going to want to push it around. But this is where you learn how to fly. You can fly in the wind. You can fly about anything. But this is the Elinoover. Under 30 bucks. You get this at the Amazon. This is speed 3. Oh wow, look at that wind there. But she can fight it. But you're going to have to drive it. Great flying quadcopter for the wind. If you want something to fly, yep, there you go. This is not aerial. FPV type of drone. So you don't use this for taking pictures. You see the wind's pretty big. The wind. But she flies pretty well. Again, you have to fly it. This isn't something, or any drone, just going to sit there when the wind's blowing. It has to be doing something. has to either go forward, backwards, sideways, somewhere. But if you think a $30 or a $40 drone is going to sit there and hover for you under 10-mile-an-hour wind or more, I got news for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is pretty wild. One more run. And we're going to bring her in. Not too bad. Oh, you know I had to crash it. Have a great day.